Hello friends, welcome to EasyCoding with Ammara, and in this video I will show you how you can get the image from the gallery and then how you can store that image in the firebase storage. So after storing the image in the firebase storage, you have to get the URL and store inside the firebase database. So after that I will show you how you can retrieve those images and show inside this list view. So you will see that here this type of plus button. If you want to add some image, you have to click on this plus button and you will see this type of gallery is open and all the images inside your mobile phone is showing here. So you can select an image from here. So I will select this image, and after some time you will see that the image is appear here. So I will show all the images inside this list view, and I also show all those images inside this story view. So you will see that this type of story view and all the images are coming from the firebase database. Okay, and when you click on this view button, you will see this type of story view, and this is the whole video, and I will provide you the link in the description box. You will check the description box, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment box. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.